Hello you guys, good morning. I know I have a long sleeve right now because I'm planning to clean my car because it's a mess. So I'm going to drive to the park to the garage because it's more easier for me to use the water hose. I don't know, something on my camera, I see it, but anyway, I'm gonna start it right now. I really need to do some deep cleaning my car. So yeah, that's all for now, and I talk to you guys in a bit because I'm just gonna go drive. So guys, right now I'm already in the parking lot. Parking lot. I'm already in the garage, so I'm just gonna go look at the water hose if there's any water, and I will do that later because I wanted to scrub outside after cleaning off inside this car. But first thing first, I need to do throwing the trash out in my the inside here. So yeah, let's go start it. Ganito siya, nagdala ko ng camera para mag-start na maglinis. So nagkalat guys, dito lang nilagay ko yung ano dito, key. And dito kailangan ko siya i-organize kasi too much. Lahat nandito yung hand sanitizer, ito wipes na nagamit na, then ito yung hairpin. So I need to bring that one inside, then that. So I need to do some vacuum here, and inside mayroon akong hand lotion kasi sometimes yung kamay sobrang dry. So ito yung nilagyan namin ng mga queens. Then ito yung hinahanap ng asawa ko, yung parking. So lahat dito is yung pen at saka sunglasses ay nandito. Labas ko yan kasi I need that one sometimes. Yan. Up. So I put this one back. Okay, I put the one in the wrong way. So I put this one here while I'm cleaning up. And this wire, guys, I need to bring this one inside. And I have to put this one back like that because it's everywhere. It's a little compartment, and this one is yung lagyan ng tubig or coffee. Ganito kakalat guys. Kailangan ko siya yan. Dito yung mga may tissue kami dito sa likod. Ayan. Diyan ko lang siya ilagay. Then ito, burns ng asawa ko. And guys, meron kaming dito, trash bag. I need to bring this one in the garage. And then some water, and yan, kailangan ko yung linisin. You guys, so kakatapos ko lang naglinis ng sasakyan. I'm just trying to wiping, vacuuming a little bit. Guys, I cleaned the top because that was already like dark spotting, so I just taking that one off. Then also I use this disinfectant wipe. This is like what look like the wipes, and also the glass cleaner, this one, and then rugs. And also if you also like cleaning the scrubbing, use this eraser pad, so that way you can get some black spot out in the wall. So anyway, finally I'm done. Then I have hand sanitizer here, and then I try as I could to wipe everything, because you know there was a lot of dust and it's a little bit dirty. So yeah, I'm just gonna fixing my chairs so I can drive. Right now I'm inside of the car, so I'm just gonna go drive to the front so I can parking my car over there, because this is in a garage outside. But I need to get out here so my mother-in-law's car can get out. I'm trying to use the remote for the garage to close the garage. So this is what I have. yeah, I'm going to drive right now, and I need a water because I've been cleaning up my nose. It's a little bit watery, and I'm going to shower after this. Okay guys, andito na ako sa parking sa harapan ng bahay namin. So ito yung ngayon, what look like of my car. So malinis na siya, kaunti para sa akin, you know. And yeah, I try as I could to scrub some stuff that I need to take out. And yeah, dito sa sa compartment, walang masyado dito, yung lang, USB, tapos mayroon akong lotion para sa kamay ko, then a little bit of tissue. Doon sa baba is sunglasses at saka pen. Yan. Dito yung hand sanitizer, wipes, and spray, then lotion. So yan lang. Then dito yung mga lang, manual para sa sasakyan, then sunglasses. Diyan lang, walang masyado. Then dito yung wipes, yung lang, panglinis ng sasakyan. Then also this ice scrubber. I really need it during the winter when it's ice. Yeah, this is ice chippers, like that. And I forgot something there. I think I put the parking tag. So here yung TV power, yung siya, yung halimbawa yung battery ng sasakyan mo, you can use that one. And ganito yun shock now. Yan.